In this video, I will show you how to add a text box in draw.io. This is very simple and useful when you want to label shapes, add notes, or explain parts of your diagram. First, click the plus icon on the left side to open the Insert menu. From the options, select Text. As soon as you click it, a text box will appear on your canvas. Now you can type anything you want inside the text box. For example, I will type a short label here. Once you enter your text, you can customize it using the formatting panel on the right side. You can change the font size, make the text bold or italic, and adjust the alignment. If your text is not visible, it might be white by default, so click the color option and change it to black or any color you prefer. You can also drag the text box to move it anywhere on your diagram and resize it by pulling the corners. That is how you add and customize a text box in draw.io. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more draw.io guides.